Welcome to another episode of Basic Vocabulary. Today, we're focusing on the letter M, with clear definitions and useful examples to help you grow your English step by step. Man, an adult male human. The man opened the door. Mother, a woman who has given birth to a child. My mother is a brilliant surgeon who saves lives every day. Morning, the early part of the day. I go jogging every morning. Money, currency used to buy things. I don't have enough money. Meal, an occasion when you eat, or the food that is eaten at one time, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We had a delicious meal at the new restaurant. Don't confuse it with food. What's the difference between food and meal? Food is any substance we eat or drink to stay alive. It's a general term that includes everything we consume: fruits, vegetables, snacks, drinks, and more. A meal, on the other hand, is a specific time when we eat. It refers to the food served and eaten at once, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, food is what we eat, and a meal is when and how we eat it. Examples: I love Italian food. General types of food. We had a big meal last night. A specific eating occasion. Milk, a white liquid from cows, used as a drink or in cooking. I like milk in my coffee. Market, a place where people buy and sell things. She bought fresh fruit at the market. Market, abstract or general use. There's a growing market for electric cars. Marketplace, a place where goods are bought and sold, often outdoors. The marketplace was full of fresh vegetables. Quick note: market versus. Marketplace. Market is a broad term. It can refer to a physical place where people buy and sell things, but also to the abstract idea of buying and selling, like the stock market or housing market. Marketplace usually refers to a specific location, physical or online, where buyers and sellers interact more directly. Mountain, a very high hill, often with snow on top. They climbed the mountain together. Movie, a story shown on a screen, a film. We watched a funny movie last night. Music, sounds made by instruments or voices in a structured way. He listens to music while working. Map, a visual representation of an area. I used a map to find the museum. Machine, a device with moving parts that does work. This machine washes clothes. Mail, letters, or packages sent or received. I got a letter in the mail. Minute, a unit of time equal to 60 seconds. Wait a minute, please. Meeting, a planned event where people discuss things. We have a team meeting at 10 a.m. Message, a piece of information sent or received. He left a message on my phone. Member, a person in a group or organization. She's a member of the tennis club. Moment, a very short period of time. Just give me a moment. Mirror, a surface that reflects images. She looked in the mirror. Museum, a place where important objects are displayed. We visited the art museum. Magazine, a publication with articles and photos. I read an interesting article in a magazine. Mistake, something that is wrong or incorrect. It was a big mistake. Mood, the way someone feels. She's in a good mood today. Motor, a machine that makes a vehicle or device work. The motor stopped working. Menu, a list of food and drinks available at a restaurant. Can I see the menu, please? Metal, a hard, shiny material like iron or gold. A metal pipe burst in the basement, flooding the entire floor. Monkey, a small animal with a long tail that lives in trees. The monkey climbed the tree quickly. Mud, wet, soft dirt. My shoes are full of mud. Movie theater, a place where people go to watch films. Let's go to the movie theater tonight. Motorcycle, a two-wheeled vehicle powered by an engine. He rides a red motorcycle. Magnet, an object that attracts metal. I stuck the note to the fridge with a magnet. Mask, a covering for the face. He wore a mask to the costume party. Manager, a person in charge of a business or team. The manager gave me a promotion. Material, the substance something is made of. This dress is made of soft material. Mechanic, a person who repairs cars or machines. The mechanic fixed the engine. Medicine, a substance used to treat illness. Take your medicine twice a day. Monster, a large, scary creature. The child dreamed about a monster. Magazine, a publication with articles and pictures. She read a fashion magazine. Mouse, a small rodent, a device used to control a computer. There's a mouse in the kitchen. Month, one of the 12 divisions of the year. We're going on vacation next month. Moon, the natural satellite of the Earth. The moon was full and bright. Fun fact: the moon goes through 8 phases every 29.5 days, from new moon to full moon and back again. These phases are caused by the changing angles of the sun, earth, and moon. Magician: a person who performs magic tricks for entertainment. The magician amazed the children with his tricks. Maize: a tall plant that produces large grains, corn, used as food. Maize is a staple crop in many countries. What's the difference between maize and corn? Maize is the scientific or agricultural term for the plant and the grain. Corn is the everyday word, especially in American English, and it can refer to the grain, kernels, or even the whole crop. Maize is more common in British English and in scientific contexts. Corn is more common in American English and in daily conversation. Examples: farmers grow maize to feed both people and livestock. I love grilled corn with butter and salt. Do you prefer your corn on the cob or off the cob? Male: belonging to the sex that produces sperm. The male lion protects the pride. Mammal: a warm-blooded animal with hair or fur that feeds milk to its young. The bat is the only mammal capable of sustained flight. Mansion: a large, impressive house. They live in a beautiful mansion by the sea. March, the 3rd month of the year. The parade will take place in March. May, the 5th month of the year. We're going on vacation in May. Mattress: a soft pad used on a bed to sleep on. I bought a new mattress for better sleep. Mayonnaise: a thick, creamy sauce made from egg yolks, oil, and vinegar or lemon juice. He put mayonnaise on his sandwich. Meat: the flesh of animals used as food. They had grilled meat for dinner. Melon: a large, juicy fruit with a hard rind and sweet flesh. She served slices of melon for dessert. Mars: the 4th planet from the Sun, known as the Red Planet. Scientists are exploring the possibility of life on Mars. Mercury: a metallic element that is liquid at room temperature, the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is toxic and must be handled with care. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. What's the difference between a meteor, a meteorite, and an asteroid? Asteroid: a large rocky object that orbits the Sun. Example: NASA is studying an asteroid that might pass close to Earth. Meteor: when a small piece of an asteroid or comet enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up, creating a streak of light in the sky. This is commonly called a shooting star. Example: we saw a meteor last night during the meteor shower. Meteorite: if part of the meteor survives the trip through the atmosphere and lands on Earth, it's called a meteorite. Example: a meteorite was found in the desert by scientists. Meter: a unit of length in the metric system equal to 100 centimeters. The room is 5 meters long. Mosquito: a small flying insect whose bite can cause itching and transmit diseases. I got bitten by a mosquito last night. Mug: a large cup, typically used for hot drinks like coffee or tea. She drank her coffee from a red mug. Mule: the offspring of a male donkey and a female horse, known for strength and stubbornness. The farmer used a mule to carry supplies. Mummy: a preserved body of a person or animal, especially from ancient times. They discovered the mummy in an Egyptian tomb. That's it for today's M words. Keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to check out the next letter in our basic vocabulary series. See you soon!